I will start by making task 1 program on the tablet computer. This is move and stop. I have my 2 pseudocode words here at the top. Each one of these words represents a move steering block. So here at the bottom, I'll click on move steering. I'll drag it up and drop it into place. Again, I'll use my notes to do this. Now let's look at this block. If I click here in the middle, the configuration panel opens. We have several options. We want to use on for rotations. Next is steering. If I move the slider from left to right, you'll notice the arrow changes. I want that on 0. Next is power. Again, if I move it up, you can see the icon changing. However, if I go all the way here, go past the 0, notice to the left that the arrow has changed directions. Let's see if you can find out what that means later. Now, I want to be using 75% power for this, so I shall put that in there. And next is rotations. Rotations is the distance that the robot will move. Now, my notes say it is 4. So I'm going to put 4 in here. And the last one is break and end. I want it to break. Next is stop. Again, I will add another move steering block here. If I click this configuration panel in the middle, we get the options. I will choose the one here at the top, off, and the block shortens. Next, I need to connect my robot to the tablet via Bluetooth. Now up here on the top left hand corner, I will click this button here and it will open the Connect EV3 tablet. Please read this, there's a lot of information. Once you've read it all and you're ready and happy, click connect. The Bluetooth will now search for my robot. When it finds it, there may be more than one robot appear if there are more than one robot in the classroom. This is my one, Orva. So click on that and it connects. Now notice down here in the bottom left hand corner that the name of the robot has appeared, and so have the 2 blocks. So I'm going to click on there and this opens the hardware page. Now let's make sure that we are using rotations. I'm just going to click rotations. This one looks like rotations and rotations. I'll reset the motors so it goes to 0. Okay, I'll push back to go back to the previous screen. Now at the top we have the little downward arrow. This will download the program to my robot, which I shall do first. Now to start the robot, I can use this start area here. If I click this green triangle here, it will make the robot move. Okay, excellent. I'm just going to open up the hardware input. Again, we want 4 rotations, and up here we've got 4.02 and over here 4.03. Okay, please test your robot and make sure that yours works effectively.